Hello guys, what's happening? Steve here, ShenRC. I have a little treat for you today. I didn't use this one in a long time. It's the Kyosho Beetle. The Beetle. Whoa, hit the gas. There she is. Anyhow guys, I got this one out. Let's take it for a rip. I may go in the ball field, but I don't know because it feels a little wet, the dirt. I don't know if I will because that makes a mess. But anyhow, I got this motor I put in the back. These chassis work good with a standard, good old regular Tamiya Silver Can 540. They work really great with it. So let's give her a rip. This thing's awesome. Oh! Oh, flip-de-doo. It's a little bumpy here, but this thing's awesome. I'm running it on 2S. Oh, I think I just messed it up. Damn, it's kind of hard over here. Yep. Oh, that really did it in. It's cold out and the paint pulled from the body. Dang it. Oh well. I'm gonna stay on this soft stuff. Dirt here. A nice burnout. Alright guys, there you go, Kyosho Beetle. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's take a look at it. Bottoms are right. I just scuffed the top here. I don't know why that spastic paint just tracked right off. Oh well, it's not like the Tamiya. Anyhow guys, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Leave me all the likes, comments, whatever to help the channel out. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.